Hello guys, today I am here in historical market. It's called Chandni Chowk. There at the back you can see Red Fort, and over there is Indian flag, and this is here eating shop. This one is Haldiram. This one is Haldiram. It's very famous for its sweets and vegetarian. This one is already I told you is Haldiram. Very old, very famous for its sweets and vegetarian snacks. Now I am going towards Fatehpuri Khari Bauli. Khari Bauli is the market for dry fruits and spices. From ages, people are coming here to this market for their gold jewelry, traditional Indian clothes like this one. See, like this one. Traditional Indian clothes and dresses for weddings and special occasions. There you see this one small lane, this Kolkata's, this old Mazar. It is written Katra Shanshahi Folk Vastra Bazaar. This is wholesale cloth market. These small lanes is the wholesale market of textile. Millions and millions of dollar business is done. See this traditional wedding. These are traditional wedding people wear during the special occasions. Indian dresses, bride wears on their wedding. Bride's family, mother, they wear these kind of wedding dresses. The traditional dresses, wedding dresses for the bride, and these are the for grooms. The groom wear these kind of dresses on their wedding. See, so wedding day mostly Indian people wear these kind of traditional dresses. This is very famous lane. It's called Pranthe Wali Gali. This is very famous lane for food lovers. People come and eat here paranthas. See, establishment is since 1889. This is very famous shop for paranthas, but unfortunately it is closed today. Still COVID effect is there. You can see these small lanes. They have long history. Establishment 1889. Just came to show you this famous street. It's called Pranthe Wali Gali. Still few sweet shops are open like this one. Oh. There you see the jewelry shops. Chandni Chowk has India's biggest bullion market. Here lot of trading is done for gold and silver and other commodities. Very big bullion market. Chandni Chowk is very famous. You see all these jeweler shops. They are very old shops. People are buying generations to generation. This is shop for perfumes, Itr and sandalwood, and these are the agarbattis. This Chandni Chowk was built after this Red Fort. Shah Jahan, Mughal emperor, he bring his capital from Agra to Delhi, and after that this bazaar was open. See this very famous Katra Asharfi. This is small lanes. See, these are the small lanes. Kuchas. They have shops for all textiles. Major, this is a textile market. Kucha Natwa. See, these they are very old lanes. Lanes are called kuchas. Kuchas means lane. See, this is another kucha, Kucha Natwa. And you see these small lanes inside. And this is here comes Very old building. It's called Town Hall. This one was built by Britishers. Town Hall is an administrative building during British Empire. It's a shop for aromatic oils, sticks, soap and Attar. Attar is like perfume. This is a perfume shop. This Chandni Chowk was built after this Red Fort. Shah Jahan, Mughal emperor, he bring his capital from Agra to Delhi, and after that this bazaar was open. See this very famous Katra Sharfi. This is small lanes. See, these are the small lanes. Kuchas. They have shops for all textiles. Major, this is a textile market. Kucha Natwa. See, they are very old lanes. Lanes are called kuchas. Kuchas means lane. See, this is another kucha, Kucha Natwa, and you see these small lanes inside. And this is here comes very old building. It's called Town Hall. This one was built by Britishers. Town Hall is an administrative building during British Empire. Town Hall, administrative building. Delhi administration was run here. It is a historical building. Lots and lots of agreements meetings were done here during British Empire. Town Hall, Chandni Chowk. Now pigeons are eating. So still it's a administrative office, but not any more famous. Still famous, but not very prominent administrative building. But still it is a government building. Guys, this is Chavdi Bazaar. Chavdi Bazaar is wholesale market for stationery, books, printing, cardboard shop market. This market is called Chavdi Bazaar. Very old, very big. Textile. This is another sweet shop. These are yummy snacks and sweets. You see, samosa, pakoras, samosas. Lemon soda shop, very famous in Chandni Chowk. कितने साल पुरानी दुकान है? हमारी 120 years of. This shop is 120 years old shop. Before, thousands of people used to wait here for their lemon soda. Shop. Here is another one. It's called Tiwari Brothers. Tiwari Brothers, now it's closed due to COVID-19. This shop is very famous for their laddus. Special Kesar Motichur laddus. And it is one of my favorite also. Come to this place. It's famous for this shoes, ladies traditional. These are the hair extension you can call. This is very famous street. It's called Balli Maran, and Balli Maran had a historical poet here called Mirza Ghalib. गालिब छुटी शराब तो पर अब भी कभी कभी पीता हूँ रोज़ अब्र शब माहताब में. Ghalib was very famous poet in Indian history. He used to live in this area. It's called Balli Maran. So this is Balli Maran. These are all shoe shop here. Major business here is shoe business. You see all these shoes and chappals and sandals. So that was only in Balli Maran. Still there are few shoe shops here. Here is another very famous sweet shop. It's called Bikaner Wala. Bikaner Wala is as known Bikaner. Bikaner is a city in Rajasthan, famous for its namkeens, that is salted snacks. They also sell snacks and sweets. End of Chandni Chowk, that is the end of Chandni Chowk. From here you see the Fatehpuri starts. That's old, very old Fatehpuri Masjid Fatehpuri. It's an old mosque, very famous Fatehpuri mosque. Very old, very famous Fatehpuri Masjid. I will just give you a glimpse inside. This is old Fatehpuri Masjid, Fatehpuri Mosque. Of spices and dry fruit market. You see? Spices and dry fruit market. This is Khari Bauli. Cloves, peppercorn, nutmeg, cinnamon, green tea, star anise, walnuts, dates, pistachios, raisin, everything you find it. Khari Bauli is market for dry fruit, spices and grains. We have biggest pulses and grain market of Asia. That is Khari Bauli. Khari Bauli is the biggest. Spices. This is Khari Bauli. This is the mean of transportation, carrying goods. Mouse trap. Pan. Betel leaf. You have this kiosk also. See, he is selling dates from all over world, from Saudi, from UAE, from Iran, everywhere. Okay guys, this is Khari Bauli now. Red chili, tea, dry fruits. This is Asia's biggest dry fruit, spices, grain market and pulses. These pillars, these are the steel pillars. How old this market is? Very old market. As I have already shown you, shops establishment, it is 1885, 1850s. Beautification of this old market is going on. It will take some time because due to COVID all the construction work has been stopped. That's why it has caused delay in the beautification of this old historical market. Work is still going on. This is Suneri Mosque. This is a small Suneri Mosque. That's Gurdwara Sisganj Sahib. There at the back at the end you see the Red Fort. So this was my tour to Chandni Chowk, historical lanes of Delhi.